Hey, what's up there, TRW crew? Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this TRW Stadium font in Silhouette Designer Edition or Silhouette Studio with your Silhouette Cameo to create an amazing design like these here. So this font is actually a built font by the Rhinestone World, a nice script font that has built-in tails to make it as easy as possible for you to be able to create that amazing design. So now I'm going to head over to Silhouette Designer Edition. We're going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to design a vinyl decal for the back window of a car. Alright, so I'm over here in Silhouette Designer Edition here, and I'm going to go ahead, and this is our TRW Stadium font. I'm going to come over here to my text tool, and I'm just going to type out the Bobcats. Now what's really cool about this font is if I hit shift and exclamation point, it's going to give me a tail. At sign, another tail. Number sign, another tail. Money sign, another tail. Percent. So all of these different areas, check that out. It's got a baseball bat built into it. So let's say we wanted to use this one right here. Okay, so now that I have that, all I did was type it out. I can make this a little bit larger. Now, what I want to do with this is I need to weld it together because it's a script font. You can see all of these areas. Your Silhouette Cameo is going to see all of those cut lines, right? So to do that, very easy, right up here at the top, weld selected shapes into one shape. I click that, and what that's going to do is weld it all together right there. Pretty nice. Now, see the S right here? We got a little bit of cleanup there. So if I zoom in on this S there, I got a little bit of cleanup area there because I don't want it to cut with those little jagged edges. So in order to clean that up, if you double click on it, you're going to see your nodes. I see a lot of people clicking on each node and deleting one at a time. If you hold shift, you'll see your arrow. Then you can just drag over and it selected all of those nodes. I hit delete and look how clean that is now. Same thing right here. Hold shift, drag, delete. And then it's going to delete all of those nodes there. So by deleting those nodes, now I can come in here and I can still arrange these nodes a little bit and say, okay, I want that to round a little bit better. And I think that looks nice right there. So I got my S and my T coming in there. Let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit. So I have Bobcats for my design right here. Now I want to add a custom number. So first thing I can do is I'm going to go ahead and just group this together just so it's easier to kind of see it all together. So right up here at top, group selected objects, and those are grouped together. So I'm going to just move my design around a little bit here, but I want a custom number underneath this as well. So my text tool, I'm going to do a custom number 23. Let's go ahead and get that custom number 23 sized right under here under the baseball bat. That's going to look sweet for a custom car window decal. And then same thing, I'm just going to group them all together. So now that I have this all grouped, I can see my width of my design is 8.7 inches. And to get my actual height of the design, you can see it showing down here because of that font. So what you want to do is actually just highlight the entire design. And again, I always like to just come up and click this weld button right here. And now it's going to give me a more realistic size for my design. So I'm about 4.7 inches tall by 8.7 inches wide. That's a little big for a decal. So I'm going to shrink this down to about 4 by 7.5. Now that's a perfect size vinyl car decal, completely customized, that I can sell to a customer for about $10. Pretty nice. So just for watching this video, if you use this coupon code right here, you're going to get 50% off this TRW Stadium font on the website, therhinestoneworld.com. So thanks for watching. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can see tons more videos like this. Shoot us an email or give us a call if you have any questions. Number's 941-755-1696. And please, click that little like button below, click that little bell so you get reminders each time we send out a new video, and shoot us a comment to let us know what you thought of this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Later.